Hi students, good morning everybody. Today we are going to solve congruence of triangle exercise 9a. In this exercise a lot of problems are there, that is application with the theorem you have learned in my previous previous videos. Now here I am just taking some selective problems over here. It is given AB parallel CD. It is given AB parallel CD and O is the midpoint of AD, that is OA equal to OD is given. We need to prove that is this AOB triangle is congruent to COD triangle, and another part is that O is the midpoint of BC also, that is OB equal to OC. We need to prove this one, that is OB equal to OC. Now prove. AB parallel CD and AD is a transversal. So angle DAB, this angle equal to angle ADC. This is actually alternate angle. This is alternate, interior alternate. Now in triangle AOB and in triangle COD, what we can just tell this, see. Angle AOB equal to angle COD. This is particularly opposite angle. And now OAB equal to ODC, just now proved. And this is AO equal to OD. AO equal to OD. It is given. Now therefore this triangle and these triangles are congruent with a that is the criteria is ASA criteria. So number 1 is proved, that is these two triangles are congruent. Number 2 is that is OB equal to OC. This is actually, what does it mean? That is O is the midpoint of BC. So this is CPCT and this is the midpoint of C. This is the second part of this problem. Number 5. 5, it is given in a given figure ABC triangle, BE and CF are two equal altitudes. This is altitude, you know, this is a perpendicular and this is also perpendicular. Perpendicular distance are same. This is equal altitudes. That is, this is perpendicular means this is the 90 degree. That is BFC and BEC. These are 90 degree. We need to prove this is triangle ABE and triangle ACF congruent and AB equal to AC. This is the isosceles triangle. Prove. In triangle ABE and ACF, what are these? What are the common sides and common angles here? See here, B equal to CF. It is given. BF equal to CF. Angle A is actually common angle to both the triangle, and angle angle BEC. BEC, if it is 90, then BEA is also 90 degree. And BFC is 90, then AFC also 90 degree. AFC. So you can just tell these two triangles are congruent. That is, it is actually angle and one side, that is this one. Angle side criteria we have already just proved in our theorem, and this is actually these two triangles are congruent to each other, and this we can just tell the corresponding sides, that is AB equal to AC, and this is the CPCT. Next is number 10. This is a good problem. Here it is given ABC is a right triangle where right A at point A is right angle is there, and AB equal to AC is given. So we need to prove that is AC plus AD equal to BC. We need to prove this one. See, here one construction is required, that is from D point draw perpendicular DE on BC. Now in triangle ADC and triangle CDE, within these two triangles, what are actually equal? this is actually angle, this angle equal to this angle. This is actually the CD is the bisector of angle C. So here it is, what is actually this angle equal to this angle. This is given. Here this is actually given. AB equal to AC is given. Angle A is 90 degree and B angle equal to, that is to the B angle equal to C angle. And CD is the bisector, that is angle, this angle and these angles are given. Now this is given, and CAD equal to CED, that is 90 degree. This is perpendicular to this is 90 degree, and CD is the common. So this is actually angle side criteria. We can just tell these two triangles are congruent to each other. Now AD equal to, if it is congruent, then AD equal to DE. These are corresponding sides, and AC equal to CE. You just take AC equal to CE. AC equal to CE. Now in this small triangle BDE, see this is 45 degree. See, this was actually 45 degree. This is 90, and this must be 45. So this will be isosceles triangle whose DE equal to BE. DE equal to BE. Now AD equal to DE was there. Now BE equal to DE, then we can tell that is BE equal to AD. Our proof was BC equal to CE plus EB. So instead of CE we can just put this AC, and instead of DE that is BE, we are just putting AD, and this is proved. So exercise and try to just solve some problems over here, applying all the theorem you have learned, and in my next video I shall show some more problems here. And if you are just feeling any problem, definitely you just contact with my WhatsApp number 9833008167. Thank you very much.